Yes, sir. You already know what time it is. It's that day. Look, it's the shoe I've been waiting for, Hyper Royals. You haven't seen that video, go check that out. Took a fat L, but it's all good. Cause I took a dub on these in person. So we definitely doing a pickup vlog today. Hopefully it's a double up because I had a second account hit that isn't in my name. So we'll see. We'll just see how things play out, how things go. But today I'm gonna be showing you how to basically cop on release day manually. So this shoe right here is going to be basically a general release. A lot of stores are getting this shoe right here, so you have plenty of opportunities, but I'm here to tell you kid size is delayed on finish line. Oh, that might be a problem. Grade school it is then. Cause Naveen doesn't have her pair. She wears a 7Y. I need to get hers. So I guess on here, on this computer, I'm gonna be running Finish Line and JD Sports. But let me tell you right now, when you're going for releases, I know you're gonna be watching this a little bit too late. Hopefully it helps you for the next release. If you haven't already seen my stuff, or if you haven't seen my videos. So what to not go on: Snipes, Foot Locker, Foot Action, East Bay, Champs, Kids Foot Locker, DTLR, Shoe Palace, Shop Nice Kicks, Nordstrom sells out instantly. Nike is going to be sneakers, which they're doing a 10-minute draw, which is, it sucks because I've never hit on a draw. Literally yesterday they dropped dunks, literally 8 dunks, and I got not a single pair. I don't know, I guess it's not meant for me to have dunks. It's fine though, we're gonna keep it moving. Jimmy Jazz sells out instantly. The 3 sites that I look at is gonna be Finish Line right here, JD Sports, and then DSG. I'm not gonna say the whole thing because you know YouTube a little weird, but and DSG. So these 3 sites, I have a couple Chrome extensions that I have. First, I have it's like an add to cart bot. No, it's nothing crazy. Like, it's not like a bot where I could just run it and then it'll just add. Like, if I'm on a website, it's not gonna work on Foot Locker, but for me, if I wanted to go on DTLR, let it add something random to the cart and then check out, it could do that. But outside of that, I've been using an extension called Session Box. So basically this is going to spoof your IP address. So basically, instead of it, because your computer, your Wi-Fi has one IP address. If you were to be on your phone and you turned off your Wi-Fi, that has another IP address. So if you were just a regular person, you would only have 2 tries on each website, and you have to keep going back and forth on your phone because you can only look at, you know, so much at one time. Here on Finish Line, I'm gonna go a little light today. Since the kids sizes are delayed, I'm gonna go ahead and just do men's, and then DSG I'm going to go for grade school. And then I'm going to do that on my laptop that I have right here next to me. So I'm gonna do that, basically the same setup that I'm gonna do on here, I'm gonna do on there, and then yeah, hopefully we can cop. So y'all stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, you know. Comment if you took a W on these, let me know, because I'm just curious, you know. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get started. It's 8:27 now. Eric should be on the way home from picking up a couple pairs from Hibbett Sports. He won an in-store raffle there, so I'm gonna get him on a Discord server, and we're basically gonna, you know, talk through the release. Essentially, he bots this stuff. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I'm gonna just get into this, and then after this video, we gonna turn into vlog mode and for the pickup, you know, might get a little bit of extra stuff, might do a little bit of this and that, who knows. Definitely stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm in the queue. Say less. All right, cool. I'm gonna do 8 of each. I think that's the max. I don't even mess with the Finish Line up. I'm not doing way too many. If it starts turning gray, I feel like I'm not. It's too many. All right, I got 8. I got JD Sports and Finish Line. I didn't do too many. I think I'm straight. DSG queue up. Oh. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Perfect. Oh, I should probably turn on my headset. Hold up, my fault, G. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
I can now. I had my headset turned off. I was hype. DSG pulled up on my laptop. I got 10 tabs on here because it's a whole different site, and then I got 8 of JD Sports.
You just went up on JD anyway.
Let's go.
Shit.
Perfect setup. All right, cool. Boats.
Buns.
Alright, I got through on DTLR. Let's see.
That would make me happy.
Okay, sold out. That's cool.
On what?
DTLR took way too long.
Oh, yeah. Bro, when I say
Jordan.
Whoa.
Yes, I'm in.
Go.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Go.
I need
go,
this.
Go,
I need
go,
this bag.
Go,
Check out.
Go.
Check out. Yes. Let's go.
Who's next? Go.
Autofill.
Go.
Activate.
Chill. Wait, if you do it on finish line, give it a second, because it like
no. It's his dick. It's his dick.
Pause.
Chill. Standard shipping. Shipping. Come on.
That work yet?
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Go. Go.
Who's next? Go.
Please
Go.
Please say I checked out.
Just say order processing. Check out.
Please.
Purchase.
Please. Come on.
My good
Hang
brother.
tight. Let's go!
Let's go.
I'm in another one.
that-
I'm about to get another 7.
Hey,
I'm about to get another 7.
Go ahead. Run it out.
I need that. Let's go.
He's ignorant.
I'm ignorant.
He's ignorant.
Hold up. The second one's processing. Bruh, it's on my.
Go ahead.
And I got it on a different email too. The second
Go
one's
ahead.
processing.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Ah, there was an
Go
issue
ahead.
with your payment. What?
No.
Yes, I got my email confirmation. Let's go.
20 minutes later.
But I hit
JD
one, bro.
Sports and Finish Line be selling out fast. I think bots is catching up.
No, they are, bro. I'm telling you.
Bots is
There's
catching
one
up.
bot.
They try to get through. I'm like, dang.
Edit all this first part out, you know?
Okay, yeah, we'll edit it
So
out.
we'll get to hopefully I'm not too ashy either.
Yes, sir. That boy got the. What size is that? The 6.5?
No, it's a 6Y.
6.
Ooh, with the white paper? Yeah. I love this,
Tape
bro.
on this side.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, let me see that buttery suede.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll say you want to do that. Alright, cool. I could take you there. Hey. Yes, sir. Let me get a close up on that suede. Yeah, butter. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. That's okay,
All right,
bro.
but
Just hit me.
I got you, partner.
Alright, y'all. So, y'all saw, well, you couldn't really tell, but, was able to get a few W's. The V hit on sneakers. I got one on DSG. And then now we about to switch over to the vlog real quick. But yeah, that's it for the live cop. It's time to go pick up some pairs. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So, oh, my fault. I ain't mean to hit you, but we at the mall now. So, like I was saying earlier during the live cop, I have 2 confirmed pickup reservations for a size 11.5. One is in my name, and then one is in a random name because I didn't want it to, mess up my chances. So the last time I came to pick up the University Blue ones, they didn't ask me for my ID. I was like, okay. So hopefully I can come in and then she can come in to get the second pair. So we gonna see. Y'all stay tuned. If you haven't watched that University Blue pickup vlog, go ahead and do that too. Feel what I'm saying? But let's get it. It's the kicks of the day. Got the bread toast. I think because since it's a Wednesday, the mall's dead.
Thank you, Jesus.
Better for us.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Just trying to distract her.
You said you was trying to distract her? You gotta do what you gotta do.
She didn't even need a scanner. All she did
I know, she just needed to know the name and then grab it. That's why I'm like, all right, cool. So when I come here having to pick up 10 pairs, you better say nothing. But yeah, y'all see.
She said, okay, perfect.
Mission success.
Mission accomplished.
Woo! Target acquired. Oh. Yes, sir. So yeah.
Isn't it crazy how we got 2 11.5s and 2 7 wides?
Man, double up of
Both of us.
double up of both of our pairs. Even though our second pairs are
Essentially paying for the first.
yeah, basically. Oh, yes, sir. That's why I like it. It's like I like to see. He's like, oh, I don't need to scan it.
Yeah.
Well, just what's the name on it? Okay, I'm gonna go grab it.
What's the size? What's the name?
What's the size? What's the name? All right, I'm gonna go get it right now.
Yeah, she was so nice.
I wanted to ask her how many 11.5 she had back there left, but because it's 3, I don't know. Somebody could have had to pick that up earlier, but yeah, we're gonna slide back to the crib and get a real quick close up on them. Y'all boys, stay tuned. Peace out. All right, y'all. As you can see, we were able to get both of them, and just to make sure, got 11.5 on both of the boxes. Right there, 11.5. Got the box. Got like a little special box. Normally, a Jordan 4 box would be all black with the red Jumpman and then the flight symbol. But you know, they switched it up since it's a special colorway, you know. Yeah. Got the cement paper. And then when you peel that thing back, y'all have already seen it before. You already know what this shoe is. We just here to get a quick look on it and wrap up this live cop today and get this video out for y'all. So that's one. I'm gotta give these a quick sniff test. Make sure they, you know, everything smells good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Perfecto. They kind of match my shorts, no? Yeah. Whatever. Got the box and cement print. Yes, sir. Man, that's crazy. I don't know if I've ever hit on 2 pairs of shoes in my size, you know, for the double up. Like, you know, if I normally get 2 pairs, it's like one for me and then, you know, one from the Bean. But 2 pairs in my size though, blast. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just real quick, just wanted to, you know, just look at these, look at the craftsmanship. You know what I'm saying? It's a little something right here. You know, it's stuff like this that be on the shoe that you gotta get off. It is what it is. Y'all see, you got the outsole. If you want me to do another video of these where I go deep into depth, or if you want me to cut off this tongue, where the tongue has like a little extra tab on there where it says inspired by the greatest of all time, you can actually see on the line where you can actually cut it off there. So if you want to cut this tab off, you can. That's up to you. I think I'm gonna leave it on at first, and then down the line, if I want to cut it off, I will. The insole, you can see that there. Yeah, but just to wrap this video up, so I already had these 2 pairs secured, right? I'll put up screenshots of both of the reservations. I hit on one on the JD Sports app and one on the Finish Line app. I had 2 different accounts with 2 different names because I was like, you know, I don't want to have 2 accounts with the same name and they see that and then, you know, be like, all right, this is a double entry. Let's go ahead and cancel it out. So I had a different name and, you know, it ended up working. So ended up letting me get these, both of them. We just went up there. They was just like, oh yeah, what's your name? Let me see. Okay, what size? All right. Went and grabbed it. So, you know, I'm very excited because I took a fat L on the Hyper Royals, but stay tuned. We might end up getting a restock from Finish Line here soon. I'm hearing April 7th is going to be a restock for the Finish Line app to enter into a raffle and, you know, basically put in entries and then be able to go basically enter a raffle for that shoe. So we definitely gonna enter in that raffle. I might try to do the same tactic again. We gonna have to see, but yeah. So got these 2 pairs secured, and then Naveen hit on the sneakers app. I'm gonna post that up right here. She hit on there, and then I hit on DSG. I'm gonna post that up right here. Both 7Ys. Go figure, it's doubled up on, you know, both of our personal sizes. It's crazy, but that's pretty much it. If you learned something in this video, you found something interesting, or you just generally like the channel, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think this was a super W? Did you guys hit by any chance? Did the sneakers app bless you guys? I did a video where I basically explained how the sneakers app works and how you can increase your chances of getting a pair on release day for the sneakers app. Everything's turned into a draw now. I haven't had any luck, but hopefully it can help you guys out there. Outside of that, that's the end of the video, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here, give y'all one more last quick look at the shoes. And yeah, it's your boy Moody. I'm gonna go ahead and check out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.